Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a Christmas gift guide slash kind of like an unboxing of a bunch of Christmas gift sets. Like I've never even opened these. I don't know what's inside, so I thought we would do some unboxings, sniff them because they're all like beauty items so we can see if they smell nice. And yeah, I just thought that would be fun to see if they're any good and to give you guys some ideas on Christmas presents and stuff like that. Also, this video is in collaboration with The Body Shop, and that means that all of the products in this video are 100% vegetarian and cruelty free, so that is pretty good. Also, one more thing, this Christmas, every purchase made with The Body Shop, no matter how big or small it is, will help to protect and rewild over 10 million square meters of forest in England and Armenia. So that is also pretty good. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video and I'm just gonna get on with it. I think we've got to start with the sacks, haven't we? I've been wanting to open them ever since I got them because they just look so cute. How adorable are these? Firstly, I just think they'd make the cutest little presents because, ooh, they sound nice as well. I just feel like they're presented really nice. I love how they're in these little bags and they've got these cute little decorations on them. And yeah, these are 3 of The Body Shop's new Christmas scents. I think they're limited edition and I just can't wait to sniff them. I've already sniffed the peppermint one because that was in their advent calendar, which I've already unboxed. So shall we start with this one? So this is the festive sack of peppermint candy cane delights. Love a bit of mint, I just think it's such a nice smell. So yeah, you just open up the little sack. How many times am I gonna say sack in this video? Ooh, okay. Ooh, well, first thing, there's a decent amount in there. There's definitely quite a few products. So I'm just gonna pull something out and see what we get. So the first thing we have is this peppermint candy. Obviously they're all peppermint candy cane. I won't keep repeating that. The first thing we have is this exfoliating sugar body scrub. Oh wow. That is such a nice green color. It's like a really pastel green. Love a bit of pastel. Oh, off he goes. It just smells like minty chocolates. Like, I don't know why. It's not got chocolate in it, I don't think. I won't try. I mean, it definitely feels very scrubby. Oh, hi. Probably shouldn't put it upside down though, should I? Let me just put the lid back on. So yeah, that is definitely nice and exfoliating. You can like proper feel the grains doing their job. I like this, I'm excited to try it. Although maybe I should give these as gifts, shouldn't I? I might use it for myself. This is the product that I've smelled already from the advent calendar. It's their shower gel. I just love Body Shop shower gels. We always have them on the go. They're just perfect. And these mini ones are really good, obviously, for traveling. I mean, all of these are little miniatures. I love mini things. They're just so flipping cute. And then we've got this is a hand cream. Oh my goodness, a hand cream in this scent would be amazing. Because you put it on and then your hands are gonna smell like it for ages. Again, I love Body Shop hand creams. My mum loves them as well. Alex now is obsessed with them because I think I mentioned in a previous video. But I tell you what, he ain't having this one because... And then the final item is a body butter. I don't know why I'm smelling them all. They all smell the same because it's the same scent, but I just love it so much. And again, I love the Body Shop body butters. Should I put a bit of that on? I've put a bit of everything on my hands now, so I may as well. Oh, look at that. There we go. So those are the 4 items that you get in your little sack, and I think that's really good. I think that makes a really cute little gift, and I'm now going to smell the other scents of the other sacks and then we'll move on to some other gifts as well. It's not all sacks, I promise. So this is the little like reddy pinky one, and it's the Berry Bonbon Delights festive sack. And I feel like I'm gonna like this one as well because I really like fruity scents. I like minty scents, I like fruity scents, and I like sweet scents. I like most scents really. Yeah, so again, you get a sugar body scrub, shower gel, a hand cream, and a body butter. So it's the same kind of products in each of the little sacks. I've got to give this one a whiff. Who should we smell? Let's go for the shower gel. It's just that typical berry kind of smell. As you guys know, I love the strawberry shower gel from The Body Shop. It's kind of like that because it's obviously like a fruity berry-like smell. Yay! I don't even know what the last one's flavour is. Oh yeah, I did know this. Festive sack of vanilla marshmallow delights. I'm gonna love this as well. So again, we've got the sugar body scrub, the shower gel, the hand cream, and the body butter. So again, same little bits in there. It's just like a really nice, creamy, vanilla-y, sweet kind of smell. I love it. So the next gift we have is the Festive Body Butter Trio, and this is just like a little trio of the body butters, which I feel like would make an amazing gift. I feel like everyone loves the Body Shop body butters. They're so good. So this is one of each of those scents. I'm not gonna open this one up just because I've already had a little sniff of all of them and I've already got a body butter out from each of the sacks, but this is what it looks like. It's in like a nice little triangle. I feel like it's presented really nicely. You should get it because it's a good way to sniff them all. So next we've got the Matte Lip Liquid Trio. So this is like a makeup-y item, and I love how it comes in this little tin that's in the shape of a pair of lips. I feel like that's quite fitting, and I don't know, it just makes it a bit more interesting than just giving someone a liquid lipstick. Oh, okay. These are my kind of shades. So you get 3 liquid lipsticks in there, a kind of like nudie shade, which is Windsor Rose. Oh, I've got that one. A like slightly pinkier nude, which is Nairobi Camellia. I'm really bad at saying shade names. Something like that. And then like a darker kind of browny colour, which is in the shade Mauritius Dahlia. I'm pretty sure I've got all of these and I've tried all of them. Yeah, I feel like that's good. That's a good selection. They're not all the same, but they're all quite wearable, I feel like. I mean, this one's a little bit more daring, but yeah, I feel like that's a really good selection of A really good selection of lipsticks. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. And they all come in this nice little tin. Look who it is. This is, I believe she's called Olivia. Yeah, this is Olivia the owl, and this is again a lovely little gift set. If I open that, I'd be very happy because it's adorable. It's actually a money box, so once you've used up the products or once you've taken the products out, you can use it as a money box, which I think is really cute, you know, multi-purpose. And you just pull off her head. Sorry love, but a little bit savage. You pull off her head and then, well, I don't know what's inside. I'm gonna have a look at what you get inside Olivia. Loads. Wow, Olivia is generous. She contains many goods. So the first thing you get is a couple of, well, you've got a bubble bar in coconut scent and a bath bomb in the strawberry scent. Yes, please. I'm very excited to use that. So those are the first things you get in there. And then you've also got a couple of hand creams. You've got the coconut hand cream and the strawberry hand cream. So that's pretty good. Alex, you've got some more hand creams coming your way. He's going to be so happy. And then finally, you've got a shower gel in the coconut and strawberry scent. Oh, I see. So this is like a strawberry and coconut little set. And wait, have I sniffed the coconut? Yeah, of course I have. I've definitely sniffed this before, but I'm gonna do it right now anyway. It just smells like coconut. I can't really describe it apart from it's a coconut scent. One of my good old faves, the strawberry shower gel. Currently got one of these in my shower. So those are all of the things you get inside Olivia the owl, and yeah, you can just shove her head back on and she's good to go. So yeah, those are just some of the many gift sets the Body Shop have this year. They've got so many to choose from. These are just a few of them that I wanted to unbox for you guys. There are many things to pick from, so yeah, definitely go and check them out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box, and yeah, I mean, my verdict is I love everything. Kinda knew I would because I've always been a fan of the Body Shop, but yeah, they all make amazing gifts. I'd be happy to receive any of them, and yeah, success. Thanks again to the Body Shop for working with me on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful to give you an idea of some Christmas gifts, and yeah, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Goodbye.